Setapp 101, install Setapp. Setapp is a service that gives you access to hundreds of apps for Mac, iOS, and web with a single subscription. You can use Setapp to find and install apps for various tasks, such as writing, coding, designing, planning, and more. Setapp also keeps your apps updated and offers discounts and free trials. Setapp costs $9.99 per month, but you can try it for free for 7 days. Some of the benefits of using Setapp are, you can save money and time by paying one fee for many apps, instead of buying them individually or subscribing to multiple services. You can discover new and useful apps that are curated and tested by Setapp experts, and get recommendations based on your needs and preferences. You can enjoy a fast and easy installation process, with no ads, in-app purchases, or extra downloads. You can use Setapp on multiple devices, including Mac, iPhone, iPad, and web browsers, and sync your data and settings across them. You can get customer support and community help from Setapp and the app developers, and join contests and giveaways.